Hello, this is my next Executive Series video. Our topic today is management review. Aaron Snyder here from Quality Systems Explained, where we make quality systems simple for you. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. If this is the first video of mine you've seen, please go back and review the Executive Series introduction video. Please check out the video description for links to any supporting information and an outline of the material that we'll review today. In this video, we will review the requirements of management review in less than 2 minutes. We have a standard agenda which contains 4 items. You can see those items in the progress bar below. If you stick around to the end of this video, I will give you a bonus. 3 questions that you can ask that will highlight that you understand the requirement and also get you some good information on your quality management system. Our requirement today, management review, comes directly from 820.20c and ISO 1345 section 5.6. Management review in 5 words. Periodically review performance, maintain effectiveness. Top management must review the performance of your quality management system at least once a year. ISO 1345 more clearly defines the requirements for management review. ISO defines 12 input requirements and 4 output requirements. How do I know that management review is working? Well, first, you have at least one management review each year. Second, you have a procedure that defines the requirements for actually doing your management review. Third, when you have a management review, all the right executives show up and the attendance is captured. Fourth, there are action items issued during the management review. And then finally, meeting minutes are captured and the management review file is put together. How do I know the management review is not working? Well, first, the management review meetings themselves are consistently delayed or postponed. Second, those management review meetings, there's not enough time to get through all the content. Third, executives frequently miss the meeting or they send delegates. Fourth, all your metrics look green. Everything is good, there's little to no discussion, and the meetings aren't value added at all. Fifth, if you actually have action items, all the action items are issued to the quality organization. Sixth, most actions are overdue, they're never really closed out, they don't have owners or due dates. Now for those 3 bonus questions. First, when was our last management review, and when is the next one scheduled? Second, did we have any new or revised regulatory requirements reviewed at the last management review? And then finally, how are action items tracked at management review? And do we have any action items currently open? Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. If you have any questions, please send me an email at qms.jedi@gmail.com. This is Aaron Snyder from Quality Systems Explained. Never stop learning.